Imagine a tiny sphere that can literally fill your entire room with concert-quality sound. That is the magic of the Apple HomePod Mini. For only $99, Apple has created something that looks like a piece of art but acts like a high-tech powerhouse. When you first open the box, you notice how small it really is. It is only about 3 inches tall. It fits right in the palm of your hand. But do not let the size fool you. Apple put a lot of detail into this little device. It comes wrapped in a beautiful fabric mesh that feels premium. Underneath, there's a rubber base designed specifically not to leave marks on your furniture. It even comes with a 20-watt power adapter in the box, which is a great bonus because you can use it to fast charge your iPhone too. Setting up the HomePod Mini is incredibly easy. All you have to do is plug it into the wall and bring your iPhone close to it. A card pops up on your screen, just like it does with AirPods. You follow a few simple steps, choose which room the speaker is in, and you're ready to go. The speaker uses the same type of chip found in the Apple Watch, so it is very fast and responsive. One of the coolest features is the handoff ability. If you're listening to a song on your phone, you just tap your phone to the top of the HomePod Mini. The music instantly jumps from your phone to the speaker. If you want it back on your phone, you just tap it again. It feels like magic every time you do it. The top of the device has a touch-sensitive surface. You can tap it to play or pause your music. You can double tap to skip a song or triple tap to go back. There are also illuminated plus and minus signs for volume control. When you talk to Siri, the whole top lights up with colorful, glowing waves. Speaking of Siri, this speaker makes your home much smarter. You can ask it to send messages, set reminders, or even use the intercom feature. With intercom, you can send a voice message from one HomePod to every other Apple device in your house. It is perfect for telling the family that dinner is ready without shouting down the hallway. When it comes to sound, the HomePod Mini really punches above its weight. It has a very deep and rich bass for such a small object. The sound is clear and covers 360 degrees, so it sounds great no matter where you're standing in the room. You can even buy 2 of them and pair them together for a full stereo experience. While it's a bit more expensive than some basic speakers from Amazon or Google, you're paying for privacy and quality. Apple does not store your voice recordings on its servers, so your data stays safe. It works perfectly with Apple Music, iHeartRadio, and TuneIn. If you use an iPhone, this is hands down the best smart speaker you can buy for your desk or nightstand. It combines style, security, and surprising power into one tiny package. In my opinion, the HomePod Mini is a total game changer for anyone in the Apple ecosystem. It is rare to find an Apple product that feels like a bargain, but at $99, this definitely does. The build quality is top tier, and the way it connects to your iPhone is seamless. If you want great sound without a bulky speaker taking up space, this is the winner. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Would you like me to expand on the specific technical specs of the audio drivers or focus more on the HomeKit smart home features next?